If you are searching for a project to keep you busy this weekend, why not create a fully functional super sharp kitchen knife using just a roll of aluminium foil? YouTuber Kiwami Japan has done just that and can be seen taking a supermarket-bought roll of aluminium foil and transforming it into a fully sharpened kitchen knife complete with wooden handle. Watch the craftsman at work in the video below. Once the aluminium foil has been hammered into a solid block, this is then split in two and cut to shape using a hacksaw and sharpened using a variety of diamond sharpening stones that are accompanied by Shiba-Inu and cow-shaped precision-spout water dispensers, which are also featured in the video. The diamond sharpening stones allow the aluminium block to be polished to a precise point and given a mirror finish on the blade, with the body of the blade remaining unpolished to provide a beautiful contrast between matte and mirror finishes. This project is definitely one I will have to add to my list to try and complete, although my knife making skills have yet to be mastered.